Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of squad. A small group of people having a particular task. For example, an assassination squad. American pronunciation. Squad. Squad. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Squad. Say. Squad. Squad means small group of people having particular task. Squad. Squad. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. These paramilitary squads might engage in assassinations or kidnappings. Now, repeat after me. These paramilitary squads might engage in assassinations or kidnappings. The second practice. Remind her that tryouts for next year's cheerleading squad are this month. Now, repeat after me. Remind her that tryouts for next year's cheerleading squad are this month.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.